Hi, welcome to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today is the day that I'm finally going to make the Hotel Nacional Special. So before I get started on the cocktail itself, the bottle of Marionette Apricot Brandy, this cocktail is the reason I bought this bottle in the first place, and instead I ended up making 3 other Apricot Brandy recipes before. But I'm running a giveaway thanks to the team from Marionette. I have mentioned it a couple of times in the videos previously, but I'm running a giveaway to give away this bottle as well as a patch, a tote bag, and I think there's a couple other small trinkets in there. Unfortunately, this is only available for people located in Australia. I'm sorry guys, but it's bottled booze. I've got a liquor license, so therefore I can't risk, I'm not legally allowed to send it overseas and it's not worth risking it. But I am giving away a whole bunch of copper jiggers for all our Patreon members, so I'm trying to be all inclusive, and wherever you are in the world, if you're a Patreon member, you will get a copper jigger. So onto the cocktail itself. The Hotel Nacional Special originates in Havana, Cuba. Now, it is featured in Jeffrey Morgenthaler's The Bar Book, and it is a slight variation. So the original apparently does call for a fresh pineapple juice, whereas the recipe I'm doing today has a pineapple syrup. If you're just getting started, or if you just want to improve on your technique, then I highly recommend Jeffrey Morgenthaler's book. It's fantastic, and also does run into how to make syrups and stuff like that, and then results in how to make a cocktail. In this instance, how to make your pineapple syrup and how to make your Hotel Nacional. Anyways, I'm starting to waffle, so I'm going to get started on mixing the drink, and I'm going to use an Aged Rum 45ml or 1.5 ounces. But Steve, what's this random bottle that you've got? Well, this is actually a bit of a mixture that I had. Every time I had a little bit of rum left over, I ended up putting it into my barrel and aging it myself. So it is looking pretty intense. It's a charred barrel. So I'm intrigued to see how it goes. As I said, 45ml, 1.5 ounces of your incredibly rich, dark aged rum. And then follow that with an apricot brandy. 15ml, half an ounce. And fresh lime juice, 3/4 of an ounce, 22.5ml, and your pineapple syrup, 22.5ml, 3/4 ounce. And the recipe in the book does call for a single drop of Angostura bitters. Do a cocktail shake with ice and give it a good shake for 12 seconds. Looks rich. And straight into your chilled coupe glass. Then garnish with a lime wheel. As you can see, this rum is a little bit darker and it's imparted some of that color, so it is kind of murkier than what it traditionally looks. It's a bit more of a pineapple-y yellow kind of color. But there you have the Hotel Nacional Special. Cheers. It smells citrusy, rich, very rich from that rum. And delicious. Really, really good. The apricot brandy comes through, and it also has this kind of velvety texture from the pineapple syrup. I think you'll notice that when you use fresh pineapple as well, you generally get like a nice sort of froth on top, and you can probably see it there. I can't believe I haven't made one of these for like 2 years. It's a wicked drink. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.